So I want to make a top, something like this. Here's a picture. So I have this material, it's velvet. I was gonna make a skirt, but then I do have a black skirt, so I figured that top is more better option. So I will use this as my guidance for measurement. So yeah, let's start. And I'm also gonna hand sew them so you can follow along very easy. So I made a similar top to the one I made earlier, the black and the multicolor, that one anyways. So this one was like totally from scratch because the fabric, this lace fabric or like transparent one, was so less. I didn't record the procedure, the steps I mean, but yeah, it turned out pretty good. This was like so I'll show you the back. So there was not enough fabric, so I had to like stitch two fabrics here, but you can't really see it. And this the ribbon, this is like the string, I mean, it's made out of ribbons. So I literally braided this red ribbon like normal 3 braids, and then I stitched it like this. So it turned out pretty good, you know. I really like it. So what do you think? How is it?
मुझे क्यों ले रहे हैं?